Hello guys and welcome back to our channel. Today I will show you how to read voice messages on WhatsApp. So this will be a WhatsApp voice transcript tutorial for 2025. So the first thing that you're going to do is open WhatsApp on your mobile phone. Now click on the three-dotted icon at the top right side of the screen. It will show up some options where you'll have to click on settings options from this. Now you will see a list of options where you'll have to click on the one that says chats. When you click on chats, it is going to open up this page where you'll have to scroll down and you will see an option saying voice message transcripts. Read new voice messages. Just turn and toggle this button on and it will show up read your voice messages with transcripts. Click on choose language and this will show up the transcript language that you can use. You can use English, Espanol, that is Spanish, Portuguese or Russian. So choose any of the languages shown here and click on Setup Now button. This will also download the voice message pack and the downloading will be shown here. So you'll have to wait for a while for the download to get finished. Now, after the download gets finished, what you'll have to do is go back and simply open any of the voice chats or the voice messages that there is and simply choose the voice message, like long press it, then click on the three-dotted icon at the top right of the screen and click on transcribe, and this will instantly transcribe that message in the voice message. Now you can easily select another voice message, click on three-dotted icon at the top right, now choose transcribe and it will instantly transcribe that specific message for you if it will be in that specific language. So that is the simple way through which you can transcribe WhatsApp voice messages or read voice messages on WhatsApp. If you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.